Welcome to the Supplier Platform channel. In this video, we'll go through a practical step-by-step guide on how to prepare for a procurement bid. A procurement bid is simply the process of creating and submitting an offer to win a contract from a customer. Let's break it down in next slides. Step 1. Know the project and the customer. Start by understanding the project requirements and learning as much as possible about the customer's expectations, goals, and priorities. Step 2. Evaluate competitors. Look at who else might be bidding, what are their strengths, and where can you stand out. Step 3. Create added value. Think beyond the basic requirements. What extra value can you provide? Faster delivery, better service, innovative solutions. Step 4. Calculate profitability. Run the numbers carefully. Make sure your offer is competitive but still profitable for your business. Step 5. Draft your bid. Prepare a structured draft that clearly outlines your solution, pricing, and added value. Step 6. Double check. Review everything: requirements, figures, and wording. A second look helps eliminate mistakes and improves clarity. Step 7. Send and pitch your offer. Submit your bid on time and, if possible, present it directly. Show confidence and highlight the value you bring. By preparing thoroughly, you increase your chances of winning the contract, strengthen your company's reputation, and build trust with the customer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical guides.